every aspirant has a story, जो एक छोटी सी hope से शुरू होती है. But as they proceed, they start facing challenges. इतने barriers that they start doubting themselves. But you know what makes the difference? जब तुम्हारे साथ कोई होता है. आइए आज मिलते हैं एक ऐसे ही JEE एस्पिरेंट से जिनकी जर्नी ने हमें सिखाया that with the right push and the right people by your side, even the toughest dreams start to feel real. Hello. So tell me something about yourself.
I'm Anesha. I study in grade 12th and I want to give JEE next year and hopefully study in one of India's top engineering colleges.
That's wonderful. So when did you actually think of becoming an IITian?
So I've always loved the sciences ever since 8th grade. But it was in 9th grade that I finally, started thinking about all the different pathways I could take, due to my love for the sciences. That's when I started thinking about, engineering.
How did you start prepping for it? What are the steps that you took?
So in 11th grade, I joined a coaching institute. And that's when my journey for giving JEE really began. Well, it was going fine, but then towards the end of 11th grade, it was a slightly tense situation. There was a lot of turmoil going on. There were rumors about our coaching center. It was a very anxious period for all of us. There were WhatsApp groups flooding with information. We didn't know what to believe, what not to believe. It being 11th and 12th grade, we really need these 2 years to determine where our futures are gonna go and to, really work hard and set our paths.
So how did you zero down on your next institute or your next support system?
So we had to do a lot of research. We consulted multiple friends, family members, teachers, and that's when we came across this new program by Akash, Invictus. So Akash has been a really stable institute for many, many years now, and it is highly reputed. It checked off all of our parameters, good teachers and a good source material being the paramount.
What was your first reaction when you heard about Invictus?
So first, obviously, we had our doubts because it's a new program. But then we took a leap of faith and joined Invictus. And it has been really great now. So we've been studying. Our studies have been totally stable. The teachers have been great. We have really good books and source materials.
So how's your prep going on now, and any specific subject that you like or part of preparation that you like?
So my prep is going on very well. Akash has a very positive environment and the teachers are great. So apart from your studies, they also help you manage your time and, make schedules.
That's good to know. So what advice would you like to give your juniors?
It is very important to manage your time properly and also have the right people around you. It is important that you have good teachers. It is important that the books that you study from are relevant and have the necessary questions and topics to help you prepare for your examination. And I think in the end, it is all about just having faith in yourself.
Yes, that's very important. Thank you. Struggles and challenges are part of every journey, unavoidable. इसलिए आकाश इन्विक्टस का प्रॉमिस है, It stands by you. हर लो फेज में एक सपोर्ट बनके, हर डाउट में एक गाइड बनके. It holds your hand to remind you that every failure brings you closer to success, and Akash Invictus makes sure you stand undefeated in the face of any challenge.